Hello guys, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to sell or swap XLM in Lobster wallets. For that you just need to log in your account and open the application, and after that you just need to follow some easy step in doing this. Is a very simple process. So for that you just need to click on swap option here, and now you can click the amount that you want to swap. So here you can select XLM coin that you have, so you can click the amount that you want to exchange or the sell. So I have available 0 XLM, and here you can choose what you want to buy in the exchange of your XLM. So you can put any of your coin that you want to buy. So here you can see multiple option and you have multiple coins here. If you don't find while scrolling, so you can easily search here, so you can easily find any coin here. So you can click on that coin and here you can see that, and now you can just click on swap button. So after clicking on swap button, your XLM will be sell and the next coin that you have selected will be buy in your Lobster wallet. So that's how you can do it, and this is a very simple process of selling and swapping of XLM in Lobster wallet. So this is the video, and if you found this video very helpful, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.